Greetings, I just got back from my local Salvation Army and I bought 5 used pair of tennis shoes and I paid approximately $10 a piece for them, so about $45 for all of them. And of course there's no tax on the Salvation Army, which is great. You'll be able to flip them all after it's said and done for about 400 bucks, maybe 450. And there's going to be some in here that you recognize. These are, as you can see here, these are Yeezys. Only paid 10 bucks for those. Yes, they're in a little bit rough condition, but they'll still sell for under 100 bucks. And I want to show you how that you can do the same thing. So what I did is I just took my smartphone and I used the Gemini app on my smartphone. And instead of taking pictures of each individual item, let's say, what you do is you take a picture of the whole wall, the whole shoe shelf of 30 shoes. And you go into Gemini and you ask, and then you attach the picture of the whole bookshelf, and you ask, are any of these items, and you could of course do these with games, items, clothes, as long as the picture captures each individual item. And I ask which one is worth flipping and where is it located. And so it picked out all these 5 shoes, and sure enough, they're all worth flipping. And I would have, without Gemini and using artificial intelligence, there's no way I would have figured out to pick these out. What you do is then, once you realize what they're worth, you go into eBay and then you go to the sold listing and sit and see if they've actually sold for what you want them to sell for. And sure enough, all these have sold, not selling for, but what they have sold on eBay for, some of them well over $100, some for $50, and we'll go through which each individuals are. But super excited about it. So these Yeezys, like I said, there's some controversy behind them, being what's happened in the news recently. But actually that can add to the value of them just because of the controversy. And as you can see here, the soles are taken out of them, which is not good. But look at the traction on them. Look how good quality the bottoms of them are. Still a good quality shoe, and they are selling with this condition, fair condition with the soles out, are selling for about 110, 120 on eBay. And we'll also talk a little bit about eBay authentication, whether they need to be authenticated. It's not a big deal, not a big problem. So easily 110, 120 bucks. These right here, these are the green Nike Dunk Green, size 14. These will easily sell for 100 bucks. And as you can see here, I only paid 10 bucks for them. And of course, there's no tax at the Salvation Army, like Goodwill and other stores. And of course, the Yeezys were 10 bucks. So in this condition, the conditions is good. And I might need to, use some baking soda, make the white a little bit whiter and clean it. They recommend actually getting warm water and Dawn dishwashing detergent, 50-50 mix, to wash them. And you can use Mr. Clean Magic Scrub to help clean them as well. But I might just sell them like it is without even cleaning them. Of course you can clean like the shoestrings and everything like that. So those are those two. This third one here, this is a retro Nike black and white Dunk High, size 9. They said about 60 bucks in this condition. So they're not in great condition, only paid, what, 8 bucks for it? And as you can see there, the bottom soles are still pretty darn good. Still decent. So like I said, about 8 bucks for those. These are the Puma, called the Velvet shoes, Tiger Velvet. And you can see, not bad condition, right? Puma. And what I pay for these, only paid 10 bucks for these, and they said that these should sell for about $45. So not as great of a profit, but still not a bad profit. All right, and then these are called the Samurai Vans, and they're in decent condition, and these will actually sell for about $50. See there? Traction's still pretty good. I should probably get some soap and water on these, but still not bad at all. Now, you ask, yes, you can do this at the Salvation Army. Yard sales are a good place to buy shoes. Goodwill. On average, Goodwill is not a good place to buy and flip shoes. These shoes at my local Goodwill, they would all say 60. The Yeezys would probably say 100 at Goodwill. So you got to know where to go. Salvation Army is awesome, and they're really nonprofit. Goodwill is for profit. Salvation Army is really non-for-profit, and you won't pay taxes, and they're not there to try to make a profit. They're just wanting to get stuff in and out and employ their workers. So very, very great opportunity at the Salvation Army. And like I said, I should make about 400 bucks on all of these just by scanning and just using AI. Let me know, are you using AI to source your items for your inventory for eBay or Amazon? Incredible. I'll scan items for video games, movies, DVDs, board games, shelves of knickknacks, and it will point out of hundreds of items, it'll point out by asking it which item is worth flipping and where's it located. And I've picked things up for $2 and sold it for 50. Super. If you're not using AI to source your items, you're crazy. You're absolutely crazy. All right, let me know what you think about these shoes. Now, like I said, I'll probably spruce some of them up with some cleaner, some Dawn, and make sure that they smell halfway decent. I got some Lysol spray here so they don't stink when I ship them out. But very, very happy. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please subscribe.